Hi everyone. I just wanted to summarize the trip to for YFN to Barcelona. So I just got back after 4 days intensive time at Mobile World Congress, and in particular in for YFN conference. It was an amazing time, and it was a great motivation for our team, an additional source of leads, interested investors, and contacts with journalists. So our goals for this conference was to find as many as possible investors because we are fundraising right now. And the secondary goal was to speak with journalists to have a channel to publish press releases and additional articles on European and international media. So we found many interested investors. I think we have about 10 really interested ones. Most of them come from Eastern Europe, but there are some from Nordic countries and some from the US as well. There was actually an interesting story chatting with one of the US venture capital funds. I met them on the 4YFN floor and started pitching XSight, just an elevator pitch, and showed them my video. And the investor went like, "Hey, I just had a wine with my friend on the over the dinner on Sunday, and they told me about the new amazing AR startup called XSight that allows some interesting interactions in the e-commerce and in other areas of businesses." And they like, "Yeah, we've heard about you." So it was quite nice, quite amusing, I would say, because we never used any marketing and basically didn't have any PR related activities in Europe and in Barcelona. So that was nice. Yeah, so we've got some interest from investors from Eastern Europe, from Asia, and from US. Then we've met many journalists. However, even more journalists we contacted and established some connections at the conference which preceded the 4YFN conference. It was called Showstoppers. It was a great event. About 100 people from different media outlets from around the world, starting from US and coming all the way to India or Bulgaria or many different countries, big or small. And then one more super interesting fact about for YFN conference. So despite the fact that we went there to find investors and journalists, we've met actually more than 30 leads, meaning people and businesses who actually want to buy custom adventures on the XSight platform. So that was great. Now we have a whole bunch of leads. We need to process them all and start selling, which is great, right? Another great point was that we had an opportunity to pitch from the main scene at the 4YFN. That was also cool, and that generated lots of interest from other investors. That's pretty much it. And yeah, now back home, and we have time to think about the conference and time to summarize all the leads and all the new contacts that we now have and work them through. Awesome. Thanks for staying tuned, and yeah, see you next time.